Hey guys, we got a 2008 non-turbo Forester. We just got it in. It's really crispy. The only good things on it are an engine, transmission. The grill's melted right here a little bit. The condenser's good. Probably got some good hubs on it. Engine actually didn't burn up at all. It made it. So we call it burnout. Everything's fried in this thing. Probably an insurance job of some sort, or somebody couldn't make the payments. Then he has black taillights, which are cool, but unfortunately this one just melted right here. But this one on this side made it. So that taillight's for sale if anybody needs a taillight for the right rear side. The rims, a couple rims made it. This fender made it. It's actually a pretty nice fender. I'm gonna go ahead and weld the tip of this fender back on before we take it off. This is a nice fender. We'll use it for something. The crash beam bar is probably good. These vents are good. But if you guys need an engine transmission, hit us up. I do not know the mileage. We can probably Carfax it and get the last mileage, but that's it.